Oh my god, guys, have I got a video for you today. Today, I'm going to be unboxing my PR, and I've got a decent amount of PR, so what do you say? Let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to start with the Modelones PR, mainly because they have sent me the most, and because they are crazy. They have sent me so much. In all honesty, I'm so grateful from all of these companies, so I just want to say that right away. Thank you guys for sending me stuff, because it means that I have content that I can create that's with the PR that's sent to me, so thank you. So in this box right here, I have a polygel kit. Oh no, these are the polishes. These are 24 polishes, I believe, plus 4 like top coats. So you've got a base coat, a top coat, let's see, I'm assuming a matte, yeah, and a nail primer. Wow, you never get nail primer. That's awesome. So these are like pastels. I just want to pull a couple and look at them because they're absolutely stunning. I love pastels. That's one thing about me. Like, if you didn't know that, I love this time of season because I really do like pastels. That's a gorgeous color. Oh my god. Okay, let's check out this glitter over here. I'm gonna kind of run through them quickly. I'm not gonna like look at everything. I'm certainly not going to swatch everything. This is really just an unboxing video. So I'm so excited to use this. This is gorgeous. This is like every color that I need possible. Okay, let's do a vinyl record. Now, I have 2 vinyl records here, one of which is going to go to you guys in a later video. It'll be a giveaway there. I have the other giveaway for this video today, but I'm not going to open this one because this is going to be for you. So I'll open the one that is for me instead. I'm going to go ahead and just pop this butt sucker out. So these are their vinyl record color cubes. I don't know why they call them a color cube since it's not a cube, but anyways, it's their vinyl record one. But you pop it open and there's actually like, there used to be a QR code here where you could download a song. I don't know if you can still do that, but let's go ahead and take the top off and see what we've got. So this is their nude one, and I figured because I was getting pastels, I might as well go ahead and pick something that was more on the nude side, and we've got some beautiful shades here. I'm really excited to dig into this. I don't want to peel this off all the way because I want to keep it nice and fresh. But on the back, they also have the colors so you can see what's in there. So whenever you line them up, you know what you have inside, which I think is really nice. And you also get a little brush that comes with these. So I really do like their color cubes and the vinyl ones. I have another one of the vinyl record that I purchased a while back, I think during Christmas, and I never really got a chance to use it, unfortunately, because I get so much stuff, so it's like hard to use everything, you know? Okay, so these are the polygels, and these are pastel as well. I picked all of this stuff out. They gave me a bunch of links, and I was allowed to pick out whatever I wanted. So these are the pastel ones. Ugh, and in here you get like a ton of stuff. You get like a mini lamp, you get a brush, obviously, there's slip solution, some nail forms, and top and base coat, I think. I'm assuming that's what it is. And this is just like a little pamphlet of all the different kinds of things that they have. But this is so cool because I don't own any pastel polygels, so I did pop a couple open just so we could look at them. This is the purple. Like, how gorgeous is that? That is stunning. It's so pretty. If you just kind of, it'll suck it back inside if you just squeeze it a couple times. All right, let's see. I want to look at the yellow one because I don't own like a yellow. I don't own a yellow polygel either, I don't think. Not like this color anyways. This is like canary yellow, you know? I have, oh. Yep. Oh, that's pretty. It's like, I don't even know how to explain what it is. It almost reminds me of like a candy color. That's so pretty. All right. See, it just kind of like sucks back inside. So I'm excited to use these. Oh my god, I wasn't like expecting them to be as beautiful as they are. I don't know. I guess like when you think polygel, I don't always think that they can do pastel, but I cannot wait to use those. In my next video, I'm actually going to be using this stuff. So today's video, we're doing this giveaway, and this was just given to me for the heck of it, but I already have this kit, so I thought I'd give it away to you guys. And inside of here, you get a color cube, and this one I think is the rainbow one, the jelly bean. You get their cat meow lamp. You get some glitters. This is like some gemstones, which is really pretty, and some butterfly. Oh, this one has polygel in it. That's right. So you get some dual forms, and you get 2 different polygels. I think this is a French, so you get a pink and a white and their slip solution. You get their base and top coat, their black and white gel polish, and a brush and a file. So that is so cool. I think these little kits are totally worth it. They're not super expensive either, and you get the little bag. So I'm going to be giving this away to one of you guys, so stay till the end of the video so I can tell you all the rules and how to enter. And I should mention that my giveaways are for US only. Unfortunately, I just can't afford to ship out of the US right now. I hope sometime in the future I'll be able to, but I just wanted to mention that for future giveaways, for right now anyways. Alright, let me get all this stuff back in and I'll be back with the next item. So moving right along, I've got some press-ons here from Betty Cora. They have their own website and they have like an endless amount of press-on styles. Like there were so many. So these are the ones that I picked out. I got this one here, which I thought was so cool. It's definitely very abstract. Then this one, which is just a black and white style. And I got this yellow style, which I thought was perfect for spring. And it's got some little flowers on there. And then I got some toes. I got black toenails, because why not? That's actually, I think that was like the only toe. I think they had this and like one other option for toes. And then I got these little fingernails. These are shorts, but you could use these for toes if you really wanted to. And then I saw this one, and I'm obsessed. I really want to wear these. These are so cute. So I'll be trying these out in a later video. Everything that I'm showing today will have its own separate video, so don't worry, you're not going to miss out on it, okay? Sticking with the press-on theme, I also got some press-ons from Jo Faye. Now, they are an Amazon storefront, and I'll have everything linked down below for you so you guys can go check it out. Now, I got these 3 different designs, and this one is like screaming my name. It's like a pop art one, and I just thought it was so pretty, and of course purple, that's my favorite color if you didn't know that. And then I got this pretty little pink one here. I'm trying to not have the glare show up on it, and hopefully we can zoom in on the design because there's this really cool flower over here. And then there's this beautiful orange one that's got like metallic on there. Gosh, I really hope you can see it. It's so hard to not have it because where I'm looking, there's a giant glare. I can't see anything, so I'm trying to look at the viewfinder. I hope that you can see these because they are stunning. Again, will be in a separate video. Then I have a little mystery box from Colorful July, so I'm gonna unbox it here, and then when I do their video, I'll just be able to use this stuff. So I thought it was packaged absolutely gorgeous. Comes with this so like super sweet heart bubble wrap. Betsy uses this bubble wrap, so that's why I recognized it. And everything is packaged so incredibly gorgeous. These are some hearts, and are they hearts? Oh, they're like all different kinds of things. So let's go ahead and open this stuff up. Why not? Little gems. So there's all kinds of stuff. There's like teardrops and hearts and diamonds. Adorable. It's like sort of, I don't even know how to explain what it is, but it's a shiny pink. And then I think these are the color changing hearts. If I'm not mistaken, I think they're color changing. If not, they're just some clear hearts with some micro caviar beads in there. And then we have these hearts. So this was a Valentine's box, but it got sent to me after Valentine's Day. So there's a lot of hearts. But like I said, why does it have to be Valentine's Day to use hearts? Like you can use hearts any time of the year. So let me get here in the center so you can really see this. They're just some pearlescent hearts, which I think is so gorgeous. And then we've got some more hearts, but these ones are blue. Please. With the freaking glare. And then we've got some heart sequins. These are not really, you know, actually, they're pretty cool. There's a lot of glitter in this bag. I don't want to open this just yet because it's going to be like a glitter bomb all over my desk. And I got some interesting gems here. It's just sort of like a whole shebang. I feel like this would be really cool if you encapsulated this in a nail. Like it would look sick, right? And then there's like a little notepad, which I thought was so cute. I'll keep that next to my desk. And then I think these are supposed to be like, there's a whole bunch of stickers here. So I think these are supposed to be like the Aura nails, not Aurora, Aura. Some heart locks with chain links, some more Aura, and then some silver hearts. Oh, you can't see anything. And then we've got some of these, which look gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful foils. And then what is this? What do we have here? Oh my god, there's a little heart that you can paint and put on top. Are these solid gel? I gotta pop this open. Give me 1 second. I didn't even really see what this was. Can you like, oh my gosh, you can like color the heart and stick it on top. That is so cute. Okay, please tell me I can open this easily. What a beautiful pink. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Okay, back in the, where's the lid? I got the lid here. I have one more of these. I didn't even realize that was in here. I'm not gonna lie, I look at everything. I love these little crystal hearts that you can paint. How cute! Is this the same color? Did I get the same color? I hope not, because that would stink. No, it's more of like a mauve-y shade. I'm just gonna throw that in there. That is so stinking pretty. Very cute. So the colors that I got from Colorful July are number 20 and number 19. No wonder they're very similar. That is so, this is so cute, and it comes, like I said, just beautifully packaged. And I think this is a stamper. Oh no, this is a little container that you can put stuff in. How thoughtful. Like, that is so thoughtful, because you can put this stuff in there. Like, that's awesome. No one ever does that. No one ever gives you these empty containers. Okay, come on, girlfriend. Oh, sorry, knocking things over now. That's amazing. I'm obsessed. I want to get more boxes from these guys now and forever. Seriously, how have I never heard of them before? If you've heard of this company, let me know down below, because I've never heard of them until they reached out to me, and I love this box. Such a cute idea. All right, let me get cleaned up for the next item. Next, moving right along, is from Maniology, one of my faves. They have really been supporting my channel for a little bit now, and I'm just so happy to be working with them. So this was an Easter collection that I got. Give me a little sticker. How cute. Creativity looks good on anyone. Yes, it does. Okay, so we have, let me show you the plate because it's adorable. This is plate 349, M349. Oh my gosh, the Easter bunnies. They're so cute. They're so cute, as my son would say, cute. I cannot wait to get this on my nails because it is going to be on there and you guys are going to be obsessed. Next video, keep an eye out for this plate. And we got some gel polishes as well as their stamper and their scraper that comes with these little kits. We got the color Blossom, a beautiful pastel purple. We got the color Awaken, this sort of, how do I say, like a muted blue, if you will. And then we have the color Flourish, which is another sort of lavender color, but I don't even know how to explain. This is lavender. What do you call this? Like pink? Is this pink? It's like it looked purple at first, but I guess it is pink. Yes. All right. I cannot wait to use this stuff. I'm so excited. Easter is right around the corner and I can't wait to create a cute little Easter look for you guys. The next collection is from Born Pretty. As you know, big supporters of my channel. I've been working with them for a couple years now and I just love their stuff. So let's open this up. This is another pastel kit. I told you I love pastels and 'tis the season, right? All right, so this is a 6-piece collection and this is like their new collection. It's called All Shine on Me. So they've got a bunch of different colors in this All Shine collection and they come in these bottles. If you don't recognize them, that's what that's about. What color is this? Oh my gosh, it's that same sort of yellow, that like pastel yellow. Gorgeous. I'm kind of obsessed with that. I want to put that on my nails now. By the way, don't mind my nails. I just haven't had a set on. I've just been letting them breathe, if you will. Yes, your nails have lungs. You didn't know that? They do. No. Pink, of course. It's this color here. It's hard to tell, so. Oh, periwinkle. Oh my god, I'm a sucker for periwinkle. I love this color so much. All right, well, I guess there's a periwinkle look in the future coming your way because I'm obsessed. What was the name of that color? Oh, it doesn't say. See, they don't name theirs. They just put like a number on them. But when I do the separate video, you will know the names, or the numbers, I shall say. All right, moving right along to our last but not least PR item. The last PR item that I'm gonna open is from Rosland, and these are also gel polishes. I love the packaging by the flip up packaging. Very cute. They do give me like a Born Pretty vibe as far as the bottles, as well as Modelones that sort of has this window. I think Macaron does that too. I mean, a lot of them do that with the window up front. I prefer that. Oh my god. You know I'm not a pink girly, but this is more like pink leaning to red. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So this is not pastel. I picked it because of the pinks that were in here. I would say it's more like a nude pink collection, and that's why I picked it, because I don't have a lot of pinks, to be honest with you, or at least nudes. Just a good old white. Every gel polish company should have a good white color. They should. What's this color down here? Let's see. Oh, a beautiful nude. Beautiful. That's my kind of nude. I love like a grayish nude. I'm trying to think. Do I want to? Let's see. I think this is black. So let's give it a go. Gel. Yes. And they should have a good black too. So we will be testing those guys out. Alright guys, well that is it for my PR unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed it. Hope I didn't like rush through it too quickly. But for me, PR is like Christmas when I get PR packages. I just love opening PR packages, and I was hoping that you guys would enjoy it as well. So I hope you watch. I don't know what else to say. Okay, as far as the giveaway for Modelones, I want you to comment down below Modelones, and you will be entered into the giveaway. As I said, it is a US only giveaway. Unfortunately, that's all I can do at the moment, is to ship into the US. In the near future, I hope to be able to ship, outside of the US. But right now, it's just, easier and less expensive to keep it that way for me. So type down below Modelones and you will be entered into the giveaway. That's all you have to do. Super easy. Don't tell anybody why. Just say Modelones, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you stick around and stay tuned next week, because that's when I'll be doing my Easter nail look. I will be using my Modelones stuff, including polishes and polygel, as well as my Maniology stamping kit. So come back and watch that video next week. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that bell notification button before you leave so you never miss a mani with me. Bye, guys.